This is the reverse light of a Lancer. It's a 7440, which is similar, same style as the 7443. This is an LED backup bulb. I'll try to get a link for you. I bought this a while ago from the Sea Light. Maybe I'll get an affiliate link to maybe help out. But it's essentially a little baby headlight. Have you ever seen an LED headlight? Has a little heat sink. It doesn't. So it has the end for your pigtail off the car, plugs in, and then has a little bit extra wire. And then this actually, you just put in the hole and you turn it clockwise and get it past this gasket. And it does a really good job of sealing it. I've had some cob LEDs in there, and then on the other side, it's a pretty bright, clean white. It's like night and day. It's essentially like having headlights for your reverse light. I'll do a transition to the side-by-side comparison. I'm going to go out to the car now and do a little walkthrough. This is the comparison. So that's a stock halogen bulb. And then that is a little bit of the spread. It's still not dark enough really to see it, but you can see the light. I just put my hand over as this car passes. There's that. And then put my hand over it. That's before and after. I'll show you on the inside. Yeah. So you remove your back plate here, which is a bunch of push pins. They look like this. There's like 12 of them, I think, or 10. A little pick is the best way. You just get underneath of it and pop them off, and then it slides under. So the factory bulb sits up in here, and you can counterclockwise, and it pulls out. And then this is like how it installs. So we take the bulb, and you just slowly turn it, push it in until it's fully seated. Now it's in. Pull out your old bulb. Then you can attach this here, and what I've done is I've hooked it up underneath, and you can zip tie it, but this is actually gone underneath that plate, so as long as it's up out of the way, and then you're good. It's quick and simple. I've had these on my other car for almost a year now, 10,000 miles, and it does a great job. There's I have no street light here, so that's all from the reverse lights. It's real hard for the camera to pick it up. But they're bright and they're white. They're very, very, very nice. It's gonna be nice to see in the night.